737-700 aircraft. This is a seatbelt. To properly fasten it, you just slide the planet into the buckle, and to release, you lift up on the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn tight low across your hips, and please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times while seated. We are equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. The location of each emergency exit is clearly marked with signs overhead, as well as lights along the floor of the aisle that lead to those exits. A safety information card can be found in the seat back pocket in front of you. Please note on the card that in the event of a water evacuation, this aircraft is equipped with life rafts. There's one in the forward section overhead, as well as 2 at mid-cabin overhead compartments as well. There's a life vest found underneath your seat. Open the container by pulling down on the red strap, remove the pouch, take the vest out of the pouch, and place it over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside the aircraft, you can inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab, and to manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Flight attendants are coming through the cabin to make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright locked position, and all of your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving that area around your feet clear. This flight will be a non-smoking flight. Smoking is never allowed in an aircraft lavatory. Federal law also prohibits tamper-with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. FAA regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. We do have 2 lavatories on board, one up front, one in the back part of the aircraft. You cannot stand or form a line for the forward lavatory. If it is occupied, please wait in your seat or use the rear lav. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Immediately pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is completely extended, as it activates the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask may be secured with the elastic strap, but please be aware that the bag may not inflate. If you're traveling with children, make sure you put your mask on first and then assist the child. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by uniformed crew member. Finally, folks, sit back, relax, enjoy our flight into Nashville. Good evening, welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight. We are turning off these cabin lights, so if you need a reading light, reach above you, press that button with the picture of the light bulb on it. That will turn on your reading light.